Divide 427 by 5 in long division method. 5 times 8 is 40. On subtracting we get 2. So now we put down this 7 and it is 27. 5 times 5 is 25. On subtracting we get 2. So now we have no any other number to put it down. So we put here decimal so that we take 0. So it is 20 and 5 times 4 is 20. On subtracting we get 0. So 427 divided by 5 is 85.4. So this much for today and thanks for watching.